Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandapani from Master Arichodi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Sagittarius sign, Sagittarius ascendants, Moolam, Puradam, Uttradam, First Padam, constellation viewers. Your sign lord and fourth house lord, Jupiter, in the third house, Aquarius. As your sign lord is in the third house, you cannot get the cooperation from your younger siblings. Success of your efforts may be delayed. Jupiter aspects over 7th house, Gemini, 9th house, Leo, 11th house Libra. Though Jupiter is placed in the third house, his aspects over the houses are favorable. So 7th, 9th and 11th houses will be favored. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. You may get the help and support from your father. You may get unexpected profits. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. Elder siblings will cooperate and will be helpful. Second and third house Lord Saturn, in the last spell of 7.5 Saturn, is in Capricorn, your second house. Saturn aspects over 4th house Pisces, 8th house Cancer, 11th house Libra. Take care of mother's health with due medical treatment. There may be some hindrance to your luxuries and comforts. There may be some legal issues in the purchase of house, land and properties. Avoid court cases and controversy. You may have some problems in getting your profits as your profit house is aspected over by Saturn. Worship of Kala Bhairavar along with family deity worship is favorable. 5th and 12th house Lord in Leo, your 9th house, getting the aspect of Jupiter. So chances of getting paternal property is seen bright. You may get the help and support from government side. Children will flourish in education and other activities and you may feel proud about them. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and expenditures. 6th and 11th house Lord Venus in the 9th house Cancer in the first half of the month will give you profits and fund flow. Fund flow may be through loans and advances. Venus transits to 11th house Virgo in a debilitated status on August 12th. So you may have health issues and you have to be careful with your health. Don't involve yourself in financial dealings of giving or taking money. And don't stand as surety in any financial dealings. Women will flourish in the first half of the month, but they may face hurdles in the second half. This month is not favorable for artists and they may have ups and downs. Chances for childbirth is seen for those who are waiting. Marriages can be arranged in the first half of the month. 7th and 10th house Lord Mercury in the beginning of the month will be in 8th house Cancer, and from August 9th he moves to 9th house Leo. Avoid court cases and controversies. Education side will be bright. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. In the first half of the month, 9th house Lord Sun will be in 8th house Cancer, and in the second half of the month, Sun moves to 9th house Leo in a ruling status. There may be marked improvements in father's health. Second half of the month is favorable for politicians and they will be honored and respected with posts in the party. It is good for Sagittarians to have 4 planets in the 9th house aspected over by Jupiter, because of which they can deep breathe from the 7.5 Saturn's effect and 3rd house Jupiter. You can get help from other language and other religion and your abroad friends, as Dragon Ragu is placed in the 6th house Taurus. Involve yourself religiously, spiritually along with yoga and meditation to overcome the confusions and problems created by 12th house Scorpio Dragon Ketu. Month begins with 8th house Moon in 5th house Aries. Moon moves to 8th house on August 7th, 8th and 9th. On these days, avoid travels and new ventures. Away yourself from controversies. Be cautious while driving vehicles. If your ascendant falls in the same sign, set predictions may be taken. If otherwise, go in for the prediction of the sign where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti, predictions may vary. It is a general prediction based on Tirkanita Panjangam. Planetary transits on August 9th, Mercury moves to Leo. August 12th, Venus moves to Virgo. August 16th, Sun moves to Leo. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.